Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. I'm at the Dallas Urby in Dallas, Texas. So the Dallas Urby in Dallas, Texas. We're in their new building and I'm looking at their one bedroom with a den. We've already seen the kitchen in detail. We've seen that study that's over there. And now we're gonna go into into the bedroom. So the bedroom is here. Oh my gosh, look at this, the amount of light in here just streaming in. Just love how this feels in here. I love the light. I love all the white. And then here's your closet. The closet has great space in here. It's just beautiful. I love the very light cabinets that are here. Just a beautiful feel. And then here is the bathroom. The bathroom's adorable. I love this freestanding area. This is so pretty with the sink. It's very, very modern, very, very, just feels playful and fun. And then here is your shower. The shower is amazing. Look at that shower. The shower is a beautiful walk-in. Feels so great. Even has a little ledge for your shampoo and things like that. This is an adorable area. And you do have a bit more storage over here too. So for a linen cabinet, you've got that over here. That's really, really great. Man, doesn't this feel awesome in here? It's just so light, so bright. It's all new. And you can be the first one in your place here at the Urby. It's beautiful. If you want more information about the Urby and you're excited about this Euro modern feel in Dallas, send me a text. My number is below. I have a free service to help you find your perfect place in Dallas. It would be really tough to find a better high-rise here than the Urby. And I tell you, I know this area. I've spent 13 years helping folks here. And I will give you my best advice and best help to find your perfect place, and it might end up being the Urby. So send me a text on the number below. We'll talk about things. We'll just say hi and maybe set up some tours too. My number is below. Send me a text.